Where I grew up, things had to look right and they had to smell right. And ladies and gentlemen, this smells rotten.
Cause, means of prevention, or cure.
I'm sure the purpose of the trips were for state business, bill signings, whatever. But we find it highly inappropriate, highly abusive that she would put a member of her campaign staff and let the taxpayers of South Carolina pay for her campaign.
It is something that taxpayers do not pay for, but more importantly, we didn't do this until we got approval from the Ethics Commission. When the Ethics Commission said there was nothing wrong with it, that's when we did it. This is the only way I know to let the people across the state know what we're doing, is to constantly show them the video of how it is so that they can see it in real time.